Sare, how do you write this? How many carbons are there?
Five.
Huh? How many carbons are there? Five means pen means here write the pen. Okay na? Have you understood pen? Next, what is there here? Listen it to clearly. This side మీరు రే ఈ సైడ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇదేంటి? Raise your hands. Which one is greater? What is chlorine? What is the here chlorine? How it does functions? Here chlorine functions substitute. Write down. Substitute రాసుకోండి. Substitute. Chlorine is substitute. Substitute. మీరు ఆపండి, మీరు చేయలేరు, మళ్ళీ నేను చూస్తుంది అంటారు. Substitute. Chlorine is substitute. What is OH? Yesterday I told you. Alcohol. Which one is functional group? Functional group is all halogens are substitutes. Write down. All halogens are substitutes. All halogens are substitutes. 17th group is in the periodic table. Substitutes. These all halogens. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, all are. What are those? Substitutes. Substitute is less than functional group in the priority. Also, substitute is less than. Substitute is less than functional group. Functional group. I understood. Have you? Next, which one should take here? First, what should we do? Either it is main chain or branch chain. Branch. No branch is here. Main chain only. Here, these are the functional groups. Branch means this is branch. Isn't it? This is branch. Here, okay. First we should do, write down. First you should do main branch, right? Next second point numbering. First one is chain, second one is numbering, third one is name. Third one is name, right? అదైనా ఫస్ట్ ఏం చూడాలి మనం? బ్రాంచ్. అదర్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ సైక్లిక్ ఆర్ స్ట్రైట్ చైన్. ఇది స్ట్రైట్ చైన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ స్ట్రైట్ చైన్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. దట్ మిథైల్ గ్రూప్, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో స్ట్రైట్ చైన్ ఆల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రైట్ చైన్. OH, what is this OH? Where do you start the number? How do you? You should take from functional group. Functional group means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should start from the functional group. Why? It is greater than substitute. In your 10th class you have used, you will be given only these 4. Alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, ionic acid. Only 4 will be given our examination. You need not to think about these ester and either or ester and either. You should not. Next, here what is this? Chlorine is substitute. Substitute means it comes before the main word. Here this is what is this? This is cyclo. This is cyclo. This is substitute. Right? That are asked. Substitute. Right? So this is functional group. Functional group. And this is bonds. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? బాండ్స్. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెంబరు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్? నేమ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ థింగ్. రైట్ ఆన్ పెంట్. ఇక్కడ ముందు ఏది రాయాలేడా? ఓహెచ్ మీన్స్ ఆల్ రాయాలి. ఇటు నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. యూ షుడ్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్. రైట్ టు ఫస్ట్ టేక్. ఫస్ట్ priority must give functional group. So listen it, easy. First you must give the priority to the functional group. Sir, okay. Here have you understood? I can rub this. I cannot rub this. Here I cannot rub this. Okay. Here what is first one? What is this? OL. That is OL. Where OL? Here is it located? OL. OL is located on 1. You need not write 1, but invisible one is there in the whole. Actually it should be written 1. Next, bond. What is the bond? Bond and what is bond? N. Next, N. Next, pent. Pent. Here cycle, this is straight chain. There is no need of cycle. Next, what should we write? CL. Where is it?
2CL.
2CL. It is located on 2. It is located on 2. That's why it is written 2CL. 2CL. 2 chloro, pent, and what is the final name? 2 chloro. 2 chloro, pent, you both are overs. That's why you shouldn't write pentol. This is pentol. This is the finally name. That is the finally name. Okay, I understood clearly. You should start from here to that side. By giving the number, you cannot do the problem. Next, tell me. Write down, Rasnana, write 4 marks. One structure will be given, you will have to write by taking functional group. Next also OH. Tell me. First what is that? Numbering first. Chlorines are, how many chlorines are there? Dichloro, that is. Okay, first what is that? All. You should write count here to. Here to count. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbering in that way, give numbering. From the functional group also you should give the number. Functional group, it must be least number. Functional group, it must be least number. Here 1 is the least. Sorry. OH means what should I write? OL, alcohol. Here I have told this. Alcohol. All means OL. Next, OL before, what is there? OL before, what is there? Bond.
Single one,
N. OL, N. Next, N. Next. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. This side you should count from this side to that, right to left. And good. Next, where is chlorine? 1, 2 chlorine. Advaina 1, 2. 1, 2 chlorobutanol. 1, 2 chlorobutanol. This is the name of the nomenclature. మర్చిపోయా. ఏంటిది? ఆయిక్ యాసిడ్ కదా ఇది ఏంటది? ఆయిక్ యాసిడ్. అర్థమైందా? ఆయిక్ యాసిడ్. ఆల్కహాల్ కాదు ఇది, మొత్తం కలిపి ఆయిల్. COOH ఇది. COOH, నాట్ ఆల్కహాల్. ఇంకా డౌట్. ఓకేనా? ఆయిక్ యాసిడ్ రైట్.